welcome back to my channel for my second video this week. Thank you all for joining me, and if this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you and I hope you enjoyed this video. We have some very good deals at CVS this week, and most of them you don't even need paper coupon. All you need is your phone, but make sure you're scanning the items to see what coupons are attaching to them. I have a 10 of 17 next purchase CRT I received in my email that I will use in my first transaction. And I will explain every deal by itself. In case anyone don't have the 10 of 70, it will be easier for you too. The first deal I have will be on certain Care Shave Gel. They on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $6 back. I'm going to pick up two. They are priced at $5.19 each. That means the second one will be $2.60. Both will total $7.79. We don't have any coupon for this, but if you're doing this deal by itself, pay $7.79 and get $6 back, making both just $1.79 or 90 cents each. The next deal I'm adding to this transaction will be on Axe Body Wash. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $2 back. Pick up two fine fragrance body wash at $8.29. The second one will be $4.25. Both will total $12.74. We have two digital coupons that will help out with this deal. One is a 4 off 2 digital coupon we received on Sunday, and we had this 5 off 2 digital coupon. If you did not clip it, I don't think it's still available, but if you have both coupons, they will double dip and take off 9, dropping it down to $3.74, and I'll get $2 back, making both just $1.74 or 87 cents each. The next deal I'm adding will be the spend 25 get $8 back, limit of 1 per week. Pick up the Bounty 4 double rolls on sale for $10.99, and to complete this deal, pick up the Gain detergent on sale for $14.99. These two items will total $25.98. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Gain, and we have 50 cents digital coupon for the Bounty. These two coupons will drop you down to $22.48, and you get 8 back, making both just $14.48 or $7.24 each. This next deal will be a moneymaker deal, and it will help with this transaction, and that will be on CoverGirl Cosmetics. They're on the deal of buy 3 get 10 back, limit of 1 per week. I'm going to pick up 3 of the Perfect Blend pencils priced at $5.79 each. All 3 will total me $17.37. I printed 3 coupons from coupons.com. That's $3 off for CoverGirl eye products. The way I print my coupon is I use my phone to print out too, and I use my computer to print out too. And I still have my $5 mystery offer from last week that I extended. The 3 coupons and the CRT will drop it down to $3.37, and I'll get 10 back, making all 3 free and $6.63 moneymaker. The last deal I'll add to this transaction will be on the Sally Hansen Cosmetics. They're on the deal of spend 8 get 2 back, limit of 1 per week. I'm going to pick up one of the Insta Dry Nail Polish priced at $7.99, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 8. We received a $3 mystery offer on Sunday, and we also have a $2 digital coupon. The CRT and the coupon will take off 5, dropping it down to $2.99, and I'll get $2 back, making it just 99 cents. Using the 10 of 70 next purchase CRT, all the items I'm picking up will cost $71.86, and my coupons will total $41.50. That will leave me to pay just $30.36, and I'll use some extra care box, and I'll pay the rest out of pocket. Let's go over my receipt and see how everything worked out. You can see all the items I picked up. I actually picked up 10 items, and the last one is just the bag fee. All my coupons I mentioned earlier on came off. The 3 CoverGirl printable coupons, the 2 Axe digital coupon double dipped and took off 9, and the rest of my CRTs also applied. And I used $27 extra care box, paid just $3.45 plus tax out of pocket, and I got the $10 back for buying 3 of the CoverGirls, $8 back for doing the spend 25, $2 back for the Axe body wash, and $2 for the Sally Hansen nail polish. The last one is $6 for the shave gel. This whole transaction ended up costing me just $2.36, or 24 cents each. The next deal I picked up is spend 25 get $10 back on Aveeno or Neutrogena facial care. When I did my deals video that I posted earlier on, I shared 2 ways to do this deal. This is the third way to do it. And what I will pick up in this deal will be the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Facial Cleanser, priced at $8.99. And the second item I'll pick up to complete this will be the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Face Cream, priced at $15.99. These two will total $24.98, and that's within the 98% rule for the spend 25. We have a $3 digital coupon that is attaching to the facial cleanser, and we also have a $5 digital coupon that is attaching to the face cream. I also have another 5 off 20 Aveeno or Neutrogena facial care CRT that I'll add to this deal. That will take off $13. That's the 2 digital coupon and the CRT, and it will drop it down to $11.98, and I'll get 10 back, making these 2 items just $1.98 or 99 cents each. This was an easy transaction. The 2 coupons came off, and the 5 off 20 CRT also applied. I used $10 extra care box, paid just $1.98 out of pocket plus tax, and I got $10 extra care box back. The next transaction I'm picking up will include 3 deals, and I have some very good CRTs I'll use in this transaction because this is a new card. And the first deal I'm adding will be on Banana Boat. On the deal of spend 20 get 10 back, limit of 1 per week. I'll pick up the Banana Boat sunscreen lotion, priced at $12.49. And I also pick up the Banana Boat moisturizing after sun lotion, priced at $8.99. These two will total $21.48. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon, and we also have another $2 digital coupon. These 2 coupons will double dip and take off 6. And I also have 2 $3 off Banana Boat CRT that will take off another $6, dropping it down to $9.48, and I'll get 10 back, making both free and 52 cents moneymaker. The next deal I'm picking up will be on Garnier Fructis hair care. On the deal of buy 2 get $3 back, limit of 1 per week. I'll pick up 2 of the Fructis leave-in conditioner on sale for 2 for $8. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, and I also have a 2 off 6 hair care CRT. That will take off 5, leaving me to pay just $3, and I'll get $3 back, making both items free. The last deal I'll add to this transaction before I check out will be on L'Oreal Elvive. They're on sale for 2 for $10, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. I'm going to pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner for a total of $10. We currently don't have any coupon for this, but I received a 2 off 5 CRT last week, and I received another one this week. That will take off $4, leaving me to pay just $6, and I'll get 5 back, making both just $1 or 50 cents each. Let's go over my receipt for this transaction. You can see all the items I picked up, and on my coupon section, everything worked out well. The 2 Banana Boat coupons double dipped, my Garnier came off, all my CRTs I mentioned earlier on came off as well. I ended up using $17 extra care box plus 42 cents from the 2% back in extra care box we get in every transaction we do. And I paid just $1.06 out of pocket, and I got back $10 for the Banana Boat, $5 for the L'Oreal Elvive, and $3 for the Garnier Fructis. Since I redeemed the 42 cents from the free money that we normally get with every transaction, that actually helped out and made the cost of this transaction just 6 cents. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.